Hello, and welcome to another update on Polygon. So we're here on the Polygon 4-hour time frame chart, and the price is still dancing around this Fibonacci support zone without any clear upside breakout. Yes, today Polygon didn't have a bad day, moved up a little bit, but this was not a convincing move to the upside, or has not been a convincing move to the upside so far. Now, what we know is that the decline from the 21st of July high, this Monday swing high, where the price topped around 26.5 cents, that decline ended in 3 waves. And it ended also around the 61.8 retracement level. So this is an ideal spot for the price to actually turn around, start the next move to the upside. Ideally, yeah. The golden ratio level, okay, what we normally don't want to see in such a so-called 1-2 setup is a break below 18.1 cents. In this case, yeah, so the 78.6 fib level. Now, gotta say with this chart, I have very, very little faith here that this C wave to the upside is being followed through, or, you know, I'm not even talking about something more bullish. I mean, this chart is not clearly bullish. It hasn't really performed well in this cycle. What I said before is to really become bullish again, I would need to see all these 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, need to see all these 5 waves completed before even considering that a substantial low formed in April. Anything else is just too fragile, too small, just too weak. Yeah. And what I can tell you here about this move to the upside is that also what happened here? Well, I need to put very, very big bullish glasses on, I can tell you that, to consider this a 1-2 setup. I mean, it's just not, clean price structure. And also, it's just so weak. Now, many coins form the 5-wave move up from the April low. Polygon as well. There are a few problems here. That 5th wave is weak. That 4th wave is strong. It already indicated weakness back then. The pullback held support at the time, formed the higher low. And then, I mean, this here is an absolute mess. Okay, but again, it might be a 5-wave move up as a diagonal pattern. So the pullback is corrective at least. And then the next move up should take us to 38 cents roughly. If this indeed is going to be a 3rd wave. But that's a big if, because we haven't even seen enough upside momentum from that last low. So what do we need to see? We need to see an increase of upside momentum from here. Upside momentum needs to build. Then we can consider this to be a 3rd wave of the C wave. Yeah. I mean, maybe something more bullish, but we're far away from that. Maybe it could be the 3rd wave of a C wave. Ultimately, what we need is a break above the 26.5 cent level. And any break below 18 cents means I haven't really got anything bullish left, because a break below the 18-cent level in this case will mean that we're likely going to break below the June low. And that means the 1-2 setup to the upside is invalidated. And then a break below the April low will likely follow. That'll be the logical next step if we break below the June low. So a lot is dependent on the 18-cent level here. And I do not see that as a high quality setup. There are cleaner charts, charts that move with more volume and where the bulls are a little stronger. So that's the update on MATIC, or Polygon actually. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates. Feel free to join us here. There are additional updates. You can get analysis, additional commentary, some news, lots of stuff about mindset, some memes. So join us here for the for our X community. We're building one here as well. It's just a bit more interactive than in the YouTube comment section. You can also ask questions, and sometimes we even take requests here. So check it out. Hope to see you there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.